Hello everybody, today we're going to graph two equations. We have the first one, x minus 1 square over 4 minus y plus 2 square over 9 equal to 1. Now this looks like the equation of a hyperbola in standard form centered at 1, negative 2. Now if you recall, the equation of a hyperbola centered at hk would be x minus h square over a square minus y minus k square over b square equal to 1. So the center here is hk. Now since x squared term is positive, now the x squared term is positive because I have this will expand to become x squared and the sign is positive in front of it. So the x squared term is positive, the transverse axis is horizontal. And that's what we have in our example. Okay, so let's see. Rewriting this, we have x minus 1 squared over 4 minus y minus negative 2 squared over 9 equal to 1. So again, the x squared term is positive, the transverse axis is horizontal. The center is hk, h is 1, k in this case is negative 2. Remember, this is k, and here you have to have a negative in front of it. So this is the center of the hyperbola. Now, a square is a 4, which means a is equal to 2 and b squared is equal to 9, so b is equal to 3. Now going to the center, 1 minus 2, this is your center. We go to the right, 2, 1, 2, to the left 2, and up 3, and down 3, and then we can draw the rectangle. And then here is your asymptote. Now again, the transverse axis is horizontal, so this would be the vertex. Now this is a graph of our first equation. Now let's take a look at the second equation. You have y plus 1 square over 9 minus x plus 2 square over 4 equal to 1. Now this one looks like we have the y squared term is positive. So hyperbola is up and down. So this is y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equal to 1. So the y squared term is positive in this example. So the hyperbola is going to open up and down. Okay, so in this case, h, this is rewriting this to make to make this equal to y minus negative 1 squared over 9 minus x minus negative 2 square over 4 equal to 1. So this one would be your h, this one would be your h right here, and this one would be your k, and the center would be h, which is negative 2, and b and k would be negative 1. This is our center, negative 2, negative 1. Now a squared is under the positive term, which is y in this case. So a squared is equal to 9. That means a is 3. So from the center we go up 3 and down 3 because that's a y here. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot the center. So negative 2, negative 1 is our center. We're going to go up 3, down 3 from the center. Now b squared in our example is equal to 4 and b must be equal to 2. So from the center, we go 2 to the right and 2 to the left. And now we can draw the rectangle. And from there, we can draw the asymptotes. Again, in here, the transverse axis is vertical, so the hyperbola is gonna opens up and down. So here's the vertex right here. And this is the graph of the hyperbola and the second equation. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.